Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trisheena Richards. Here on my channel, I share home decor, home inspiration, and lifestyle content. If that's a type of content you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps to support my channel. Now let's get into today's video. Today I'll be reviewing this beautiful twin over twin bunk bed from AOGLLATI. If you've been looking for a modern bunk bed for your kids' room, a shared bedroom, or you simply trying to maximize your space, then definitely keep watching because I'm going to share my honest thoughts about putting this bed together. As you can see, I'm starting with the unboxing. Everything arrived securely packaged and all of the pieces were organized inside the box. You'll receive the metal frame, the hardware instructions, storage jars, ladder, and all of the pieces needed for assembly. So I'm not going to show every single assembly step because that would make this video extremely long, but I did want to give you guys an overview of the process so you can see what it's like to put everything together. So right now we're working on the assembly. As you can see, the bottom of the bed while the upper bunk is already coming together. One thing I noticed during the assembly is that all the pieces line up really well. As long as you carefully follow the instructions and don't tighten every screw until the frame is completely assembled, the process goes much smoother. Okay. This definitely isn't one person project. I would recommend having another adult, helping you, especially when it's time to lift the upper bunk into place. Having an extra set of hands make everything much easier and safer. One thing I really appreciate about this bunk bed, it's clean and modern, and to me it also looked like there's a little piece of wood accent, but I promise you it's metal. The white finish gives such a bright and fresh look that works well with so many different room styles. Whether you're decorating a little girl's room, a little boy's room, or a shared bedroom, I think this bed blends in beautifully. Another thing I like is that it made with a sturdy metal frame. Once everything is assembled correctly, it feels solid and durable. It doesn't have that, cheap look that some metal bunk beds have. Instead, it has a simple, modern appearance that can easily be dressed up, with colorful bedding, neutral bedding, or theme decor, depending on your child's personality. Okay, so now let's talk about one of my favorite features, in regards to storage. So these bunk beds come with convenient bedside storage that gives your child a place to keep books, small toys, electronics, or even a water, bottle before bedtime, which I'll show you guys that, down in the video. I always appreciate, furniture that gives you a little extra storage because, kids seems to collect so many little items and it's nice having somewhere to keep everything organized. Also includes multiple storage jars to the side, as I mentioned earlier, which are perfect for storing like extra blankets, clothes, toys, or seasonal items. For me, I'll be putting their toys in there. If you're working with a smaller bedroom like me, having a built-in storage like this really helps to maximize the space. Another feature I thought was really fun in, building LED lighting. I'm like, okay, that's a nice feature. As you'll see later in the video, the LED lights give the bunk bed such a cool look, especially during the evening time. I think kids, would absolutely love this feature because it gives the room a fun, modern vibe without needing additional lighting. And my girls love it. Every night they'll be like, oh, I want purple lights, I want red lights, I want green light. I'm like, okay. um, yeah, because to me, lights give the room a fun, modern vibe without needing additional lighting. It definitely makes the bed feel a little bit more unique compared to a standard bunk bed. All right. At this point, everything is fully assembled, as you can see. I know it's time to put the bedding together. Watching everything comes together is honestly so satisfying. Once I added the comforter set, as you can see, and then later I'll be adding the pillows, and I add a little, teddy bear to their bed. I always say that bedding can completely transform a space of furniture, and this bunk bed is no exception. Now, I do want to mention something very important regarding safety. These bunk beds include wall anchor straps, and I highly recommend using them. During assembly, you'll notice that the manufacturer provides the hardware needed to secure the bed to the wall. This is a step that should not be skipped, especially if children will be using the bed every day. Like many tall bunk beds, you may notice a little movement if it's not secured. Once you attach those wall anchors properly, it adds an extra layer of stability and helps prevent tipping. So safety should always come first. So please make sure you install those wall straps according to the instructions before allowing your children to use the bunk bed. Overall, I think these bunk beds offer a great combination of style, storage, functionality, and space saving design. It's perfect for siblings, sharing a room, sleepovers, or simply creating more floor space in a smaller bedroom. I also love that the modern white finish can easily grow with your children as their style changes over the years. So if you're interested in checking out this bunk bed for yourself, I'll have the direct product link listed in my description box below so you can take a closer look at all the features and specifications. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really hope this review helped if you're currently shopping for a bunk bed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite feature of this bunk bed is. I always love hearing from you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.